Some studies have proven to be proficient in detecting sign language, but commercialization is prohibitively experienced. Researchers are now paying greater emphasis to build practically viable sign language recognition systems. Researchers conduct their studies in a variety of methods. It all begins with the data collection techniques. Because of the heavy price of such a suitable gadget, the information gathering technique differs. But a low cost approach is required for the sign language recognition technology to be commercialized. The methodologies utilized to create sign language recognition differ from one scientist to the next. Each technique has its advantages over others, and research teams are continuously experimenting with several approaches to building their own sign language recognition systems. For machine learning applications, feature selection, dataset preparation, and data transformation is an important phase. To construct the right model, it is necessary to understand the data. Successful data mining involves far more than selecting a learning algorithm and running it over your data. Two different datasets with a different set of hand features have been used to test the machine learning algorithms. The first dataset has the hand angle, the mean, and variance of the segmented hand gray image, the area and parameter of the binary hand blob, and the number of convexity defects. The second dataset has the hand angle, the mean, the variance of the segmented hand gray image, the statistics bin values of the orientation histogram, and the 100 bin values of the hand radial signature. The image preprocessing phase is used to improve the system's overall performance by modifying the image or video inputs. The median filter and the Gaussian filter are two typical approaches for reducing noise in pictures or videos. Only median filtering is used in this level of study. Following that, morphological operations are frequently employed to eliminate unnecessary data. For example, to eliminate noises, first the input picture is converted into a double picture. The median and the Gaussian filters are later, and then morphological operations are a pre-processing phase is used. In certain studies, the picture recorded are reduced to a lower resolution before proceeding to the next stage. This is a process in which computer architecture is in a better fashion. Suppose the input of the system is like that whatever it is given in the picture, then what will be in the implementation of the output that will come out from the system. The indication is already stored in the CNN algorithm. The disabled person will learn the whole thing and implement it on the basis of the requirement. Learning and memorizing is the difficult part which will be coming step by step. There are millions of possibilities of moving the hand. The gesture of the hand will always be possible in a physical way. It is not possible in the other way, so implementing the battery communication system will be very much important. So this is the main objective of this project. Thank you. Hope you like it.